Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and opening the right panel. Check your monitor's native modes and plug the cable straight into the GPU. Adapters can force higher refresh locks. Once done, go to Windows Settings, System, Display, then Advanced Display Settings so you can choose Refresh Rate. You're doing this now because changing the source and input guarantees Windows can see 60Hz. Make sure you note current resolution and refresh so you can restore if needed. Now you switch the active refresh rate. In Advanced Display, click Display Adapter Properties, then the Monitor tab. This is where Windows lists valid refresh rates. Choose 60Hz from the Screen Refresh Rate dropdown and apply. The monitor will test the mode. If 60Hz isn't listed, lower the resolution slightly or open your GPU control panel, NVIDIA control panel, or AMD Radeon, because drivers sometimes hide legacy rates. Once applied, confirm the display responds and keep the new setting. Finish by applying and validating the change across apps. You should test video playback and move the cursor. 60Hz reduces motion but must be stable. If Windows reverts or 60Hz won't stick, open your GPU control panel and create or force a 60Hz mode, or update the display and GPU drivers. As a final check, swap cables, DisplayPort versus HDMI, and try a custom resolution. That often exposes hidden 60Hz support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.